Bringing the cinematic experience home has never been easier than with the BenQ W2720i 4K LED smart home theater projector. From the moment you power it on, it's clear that this isn't just any projector. The first thing that hits you is the incredible color accuracy. Every shade is precise and natural, giving a lifelike feel to movies, series, and games. Unlike some projectors that oversaturate or dull colors, this one manages to hit that sweet spot where colors pop without looking artificial. The HDR-PRO feature takes the visual experience to another level. It improves contrast in a way that makes every scene more detailed. Dark scenes reveal hidden textures and subtle shadows, while bright sequences maintain clarity and depth. This makes the W2720i ideal for cinematic experiences at home, replicating the way films were intended to be seen. The 4K LED engine is a game-changer in terms of brightness, clarity, and longevity. LED technology provides consistent brightness over time, consumes less energy, and eliminates the need for frequent lamp replacements. The visuals are crisp and sharp, ensuring that fast-moving action sequences stay clear and colors remain consistent across the entire screen. Beyond visuals, this projector is designed to be smart and versatile. With Android TV built in, it provides instant access to popular streaming apps like Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video, and YouTube. There's no need for external devices or complicated setups. Switching between movies, shows, and games is smooth, and the interface is intuitive enough that anyone can navigate it effortlessly. The audio setup, while not a full home theater system, is surprisingly effective. The built-in speakers deliver clear and precise sound, perfect for casual movie nights. While pairing it with a dedicated sound system enhances the experience, the onboard speakers are more than capable for everyday use. Setting up the projector is also straightforward. Lens shift and keystone correction make alignment easy, so the projector doesn't have to be perfectly centered to deliver a sharp and balanced image. The sleek and minimalist design allows it to blend seamlessly into a living room environment, avoiding the bulky, tech-heavy look of traditional projectors. For gamers, the W2720i includes low input lag modes, making gameplay responsive and smooth. Combined with 4K resolution, it creates an immersive gaming experience where every detail is visible and every movement feels instant. Fast-paced action, whether in movies or games, is fluid and lifelike. Maintenance is low effort thanks to the long-lasting LED light source. You won't have to worry about frequent replacements, and the cooler operation keeps fan noise minimal, allowing you to stay fully immersed in the content. Overall, the BenQ W2720i is a premium choice for anyone looking to elevate their home entertainment setup. Its combination of stunning visuals, smart functionality, and ease of use makes it perfect for movie enthusiasts, gamers, and casual viewers alike. Every feature, from HDR-PRO to Android TV integration, is designed to provide a complete cinematic experience without leaving your home. If you're looking to upgrade your movie nights and take your home entertainment to a whole new level, the BenQ W2720i 4K LED Smart Home Theater Projector delivers on all fronts. Check the link in the description to bring this cinematic powerhouse into your home today.